I've been investing $50 every week in the S&P 500 ETF VOO for 1 year, 4 months, and 2 weeks. As of today, I achieved a 7.7% rate of return. If you believe in long-term investing, check out what I've done this week. By Friday, the S&P 500 rallied 1.2%, and consider this index has an average yearly return of 10%. This week was definitely one of those solid winning weeks.
Nice.
And what set up the rally? Promising third quarter earnings. Great earnings mean a strong economy. A strong economy gives investors robust confidence. So, what did I do last week? I bought $50 of VOO on Wednesday around 12 p.m. when I saw the price sinking, allowing me to get my weekly shares at a relatively cheaper price.
Cheap is good. Cheap is very, very important.
After this week, we now have a total of 9.7 shares with a market value of $39.29. This put us at a profit of $2.79, bringing the rate of return to a solid 7.7%. This chart illustrates the progress of our ongoing journey. You may notice that we almost lost all our gains 2 weeks ago, but now we've nailed a decent profit in just 2 weeks. This reminds me that famous line,
"My mom always said, stock market was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get."
Anyway, wrapping up this week's update, nothing really fancy because investing only requires consistency and patience. Feel free to join me. If I can do it, you can do it better. Like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you next week.